Good afternoon. In today's lecture of Control Consumer Electronics, we are going to study the next component which processes audio signal. That device is known as public address system. So public address system, what it is, where we use it, how it processes sound, we are going to discuss it in brief in today's lecture. So dear students, public address system is a system in which whenever large gathering of people is there you use public address system. Means what? Whenever large public is gathered at one place, you cannot directly speak solely and you cannot address the large people. Like suppose election meetings are there, then in a stadium football match or cricket match is there, suppose one auditorium is there when somebody is speaking and sound is to be given to all the audience, so you directly cannot speak with your mouth and you cannot address the people. So for that purpose the public address system is used. So generally when large gathering of people is there, you have to address some audience, then you have to use the public address system. So public address system, as you can see the diagram, I'm zooming in. So this is your public address system block diagram. So in public address system, more than one microphones mostly are used. So suppose on a stage, 3 people are sitting. Then these 3 people can speak at the same time. Correct? So all the 3 speakers output, all the 3 people output is given to the speaker. So how it is, we'll see it. Say suppose 3 microphones are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 microphones are there. The output of all the microphone are combined together to generate single audio wave using mixer. Mixer, what it does, it combines the output of 3 microphone, combines it together and generates one single audio signal. That audio signal consists of all the frequencies, audio frequencies coming from the 3 microphones. So sound is mixed together. Sound is mixed together by using mixer. We know that output of your microphone is very low. Correct? So for that purpose, you have to boost up the signal voltage. So for that purpose, we are using the voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier generally amplifies the frequencies which comes under what you say, audio frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. Then process circuit. What does this processing circuit do? Processing circuit processes bass, treble, and gain of sound wave that we have already studied in hi-fi amplifier, the circuit called equalizer. The function of equalizer in hi-fi amplifier is the same as this processing circuit in public address system. So this public address system has processing circuit which processes audio wave. Processing is done in terms of boosting or attenuation of bass, boosting or attenuation of treble, or general increase in gain of the audio signal. Then driver amplifier. Driver amplifier amplifies the voltage. Driver amplifier amplifies the voltage of the processed sound. Whatever processed sound is there, that is amplified using driver amplifier. And we know that whenever you are giving sound signal to the speaker, initially the boosting of that sound signal is required. म्हणजे त्या साऊंड वेव्हची पॉवर ही ऑलरेडी वाढलेली पाहिजे, कारण की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एकाच वेळेस 100, 500, 1000, 5000 लोकांना ऍड्रेस करता तुम्ही युजिंग सिंगल स्पीकर, देर इज अ नीड ऑफ साऊंड टू ट्रॅव्हल फ्रॉम स्पीकर टू द लास्ट ऑडियन्स पर्सन. शेवटचा जो ऑडियन्स मध्ये लास्ट बसलेला पर्सन आहे त्याच्यापर्यंत आवाज गेला पाहिजे, म्हणून त्याची पॉवर ही इन टर्म्स खूप जास्त पाहिजे. करेक्ट? सो दॅट्स व्हाय वी आर युजिंग दिस पॉवर एम्प्लिफायर फॉर द boosting of the audio wave. So microphones, all the microphone captures the sound coming from the source. Source म्हणजे a person, audio mixer mixes all the three microphones. Then voltage amplifier will amplify the voltage of that signal, that signal coming from the microphone and mixer. Then voltage is amplified, then that signal is given for processing, bass treble gain of that sound is processed. Then driver amplifier will amplify the voltage of that signal which is processed by the processing circuit. And then power amplifier increase the strength, increases the power of audio wave. Means in terms of current boosting is done. Simply in a simple word you have to say the current boosting is done. So that boosted sound is given to the speaker. This speaker can be the single speaker, or it can be the multiple speakers can be connected like this here. So multiple speakers can be arranged in some manner so that in this way. So in this way you can connect many more speakers. पण स्पीकरचा आउटपुट व्होल्टेज इनपुट इम्पिडन्स हा जनरली 8 किंवा 16 ओम असतो. सो यू हॅव टू मेक कनेक्शन इन सिरीज अँड पॅरलल सो दॅट द आउटपुट रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ दिस एम्प्लिफायर शुड बी मॅच्ड बाय द स्पीकर. कारण की पॉवर एम्प्लिफायर जो आहे त्याचा आउटपुट इम्पिडन्स जर सपोज 8 ओहम असेल तर तो व्यवस्थितपणे तो 8 ओहम मॅच झाला पाहिजे, तरच आपण ऑलरेडी शिकलेलो आहे मॅक्सिमम पॉवर ट्रान्सफर थिअरम. मॅक्सिमम पॉवर कधी ट्रान्सफर होते, ज्यावेळेस इनपुट सर्किट आणि आउटपुट सर्किटचा इम्पिडन्स हा मॅच होत असेल तरच ती मॅक्सिमम पॉवर ट्रान्सफर होते. सो फॉर ट्रान्सफरिंग द मॅक्सिमम पॉवर, टू द लाउड स्पीकर there is a requirement of impedance matching. So because of that sometimes some balloon component is used. Balloon component पण यूज करतात जेणेकरून आउटपुट इम्पिडन्स हा मॅच होईल. बलून इम्पिडन्स मॅचिंग साठी यूज केला जातो. So the connection of the loudspeaker can be like this, or single loudspeaker can be used. So this is your public address system. Is there any doubt that you can ask it to me? Public address system generally looks like this. See, this is your public address system. From microphone you catch the sound, that microphone sound is given to amplifier. Amplifier inbuilt has all the components that we have discussed, that is mixer. If two microphones are connected, you can see two slots are here. So two slots, two microphone, both sound is mixed together is a mixer. Voltage amplifier amplifies that sound, processing circuit processes sound, then driver amplifier and the power amplifier, and then finally the output is given to the loudspeaker. So this is a public address system. You have already seen it. Just how it works. So this is the working principle of public address system. Is there a doubt that you can ask? See, I am showing you one more image. See this image. See how the speakers are connected. How the speakers are connected. Speakers are connected in such a way that the overall impedance, the resultant impedance after making series connection and parallel connection, the overall impedance should be as your output impedance of power amplifier. If output impedance of power amplifier is 16 ohm, then you have to make assembly such that the resultant resistance should be the 16 ohm. Okay, so that the maximum power is transferred from your input to the output. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Next topic is home theater system. In home theater system, you know that the household appliances like CD player and HD TV or your computer is connected to your home theater system. Okay, the theater-like experience is given at home by using this system. In theater, the sound appears to be three-dimensional sound. Means when on your theater, screen in your theater, when you watch any movie, whatever the person is speaking over there, you feel that sound is coming real. The person is sitting in front of you, or he is standing in front of you and he is speaking, and you are listening to it, it gives you real experience. So same experience can be given at your home to your TV, that home theater experience. So how it is generally given. So you can see the AV receiver diagram is there. You can see the AV receiver can receive sound from your CD player or the Voodoo player, then your game console, then TV, or from your computer, or your from Blu-ray player, from any device, that any appliances that you have in your house, that appliances can be connected to your home theater. So which are the connect? So we know that this single box is there. This box may have connection from all the appliances that we have in our house: CD player, Blu-ray player, your computer. It may be the your HD TV, high definition TV, your Zoom game console is there. Then the cable box is there. From any point, any appliances, you can make a connection to your home theater system. So home theater system connection is done by using the speaker cables and the HDMI cables. Okay, so this home theater system generally has woofer and speaker connection. So home theater system, suppose 5.1 is there, means what? Total 5 speakers will be there, one woofer will be there, or one subwoofer may be there. So as you can see, these connections are there. These connections are made with the speaker. So you can see two speakers, front left channel, then front right channel, then rear sound system, left rear sound system, right, and rear surround right. Okay, so in this way the 5 speakers are connected. See, front left, front right, rear left, rear right, and one surround speaker is there, and one woofer is there, which gives you the sound of woofs. Correct? So your woofer gives sound like woof. So this total 5.1, 3.1, or 7.1. So like this, the speakers are there for the home theater system. So when you sit at the center of your home theater system, you feel like sound is coming from front side, because two speakers are there at the front side, three speakers are at the back side, and one woofer is there, which is below to the home theater system. So in this way, the home theater system works, and how it shows that it shows the sound is coming from all the sources which are there in the house, and your sound appears to be natural. So as you goes on increasing the intensity by increasing the volume, your sound signal increases to certain extent, and the what you say, the sound appears to be the natural sound. So in this way, the home theater system works. You have to produce the natural sound, but how that natural sound is produced? That natural sound is produced by increasing the number of speaker which is placed at surrounding to the person who is listening, the audience. Correct? So speakers are at the four corners of your home. One speaker will be at the back side, and one subwoofer is there. So minimum 5.1 home theater system is used for better experience. As the number of speakers increases, 7, 9, it gives more real experience of sound. So sound appears to be the 3D sound. So this is your home theater system. Are you getting it? Home theater system. Home theater system, are you getting it? Okay. Now